So we have not talked about one thing, which is, well, logout. So I want to have a button here after this profile, like for now at least. So then I'll at least for now I want to have a button here as logout. So when I click on this, so I would be logged out from here. So we have this article view, and let me have, well, a logout here. Okay, we have to import something from Django and contrib authentication import, well, logout. Okay, and we have the, well, redirect. At least we do not have now for now. So from Django I want to have Django dot shortcuts import redirect. Okay, from Django views I want to have the view. Okay, this I want to have this view. Okay, this view is from Django views. So I have imported all of them. Let me have the log out view. So from view of Django I want to have a get method. I pass the, well, the self request arguments and keyword arguments. Okay, then have the logout. I call this logout function and I pass the request. Whoever requests, that will be logged out. Okay, so the return will be redirect. So after this I want to have count login. Means after logout which URL should be redirected. So in account login. Okay, we have the view. Now let's have the URL, and I import this here. So I have the logout, and, well, this logout view will be like this, and logout. Okay, so I have everything. Let me see the sidebar. In the sidebar I have some, well, let's take one from here, li, and I want to have it here. So this will be logout from account logout. When I refresh, I can see one button as logout. Okay, when I click on this logout, so I will be redirected to login page. Again I click this. Okay, I am logged in. Okay, let me tell you one thing from here, which is very important, because sometimes it may throws an error. It may have some other page, so that's why I want to have it here, like log out redirect. I think instead of this this one only, instead of this login, I want to have the logout. So logout will be login. Yeah, I'm redirected there. Okay, so now everything is correct. So I'm redirected to this page, and let me refresh this as active user. When I refresh, I see the page, the button. Okay, again I want to log in. Everything is correct. The login and, well, functionality is also implemented, so I think it's good.